How do I become a private investigator? The first answer to this question lays within the state you live in and the requirements they have. The vast majority of states here in the United States require private investigators, private detectives, detective agencies, and/or investigation agencies to be licensed. The details for each state vary. However, there are some similarities in most states. Most states will require a very comprehensive background check to be conducted on you, the PI applicant. Usually this background will include a fingerprint background through your state's Bureau of Investigation. For instance, here in Colorado, it's a CBI, or Colorado Bureau of Investigation, along with an FBI fingerprint background. Most states also require some form of testing for the applicant. This testing can be arduous, this testing can be difficult, and it is imperative that you have studied your state's requirements well and have done everything you can to prepare yourself for the test. Some states now, they test online. Some states require you to test in person. In some cases, you can take breaks throughout the testing. In other cases, it's a timed testing period, and you only have so much time to accomplish it. Generally speaking, selecting your investigative area of expertise, however, is not required to obtain a PI license. However, certain areas of investigation may require differing levels of expertise for special licensing depending on the state. Some states will also require a business license along with the PI license, and most cities will require a business license regardless of PI licensing requirements if you are officed in that city. These states that don't have licensing, you need to check your local municipalities and cities, as they may very well have their own. It is imperative that you do your own homework, that you do your own investigation and see if your city requires licensing. Sometimes this can be done easy, just calling your city hall, calling your local police department and asking. Remember also, you may be licensed in one state, but that doesn't mean that you're licensed in another state. If your investigation takes you into a city that has its own requirements or another state, you may need to be licensed there as well. And another great resource for license requirements is your state association. Here in Colorado, that is the PPIAC, Professional Private Investigators Association of Colorado.